Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video guide dedicated to help you get rid of pop-ups coming from the website legalsoft.thestablegreatupdating.best. This is a fake software update alert that you should never trust. The real mission of these pop-ups is to actually hijack your computer and possibly your browser. The pop-ups attempt to force you into downloading some software update. It says that Adobe Flash Player is out of date and that the version of this plugin on your computer doesn't include the latest security updates. Obviously, this is a totally faulty information because Apple does not use any third-party websites for implementing their updates. If there is any decent update available, you will find the notification in System Preferences in the Software Update section, so you'll be able to proceed and install any available update. However, stay away from interacting with these fake alerts like this, because they try to actually infect your browser, your entire Mac computer with adware, with browser hijackers, and other potentially unwanted programs. So the only correct solution is just to leave this page. And I also recommend that you perform the additional checkup of your Mac with a combo cleaner, which is the reliable antivirus specifically for Mac. You may get it on this official resource, combocleaner.com. So after the software is successfully downloaded and installed, you need to wait until it updates the antivirus database and then click on Start Combo Scan button. This will begin the detailed investigation of your Mac computer, and at the end of scan you will see the complete report about your Mac and its safety. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. At the end of the scan, you will see the detailed report about your Mac computer. You may go to the antivirus section and then click on Review Results. So this will show you the detailed report about all threats that were found during the scan. You may go to the specific threat and its location by clicking on this icon that says Show in Finder. So this will show you its location in Finder, and you may right-click on it and move each single threat to the trash, one single thread at a time manually. Or you may, of course, consider purchasing the premium version, the full version of Combo Cleaner Antivirus to get rid of all these threats automatically.